What's up, guys? What's going on? Pretty your girl with another video. Don't even worry about how I look right now because I'm about to go wash my hair. It's Saturday. I'm going to brunch tomorrow. Well, a brunch event with my friend tomorrow. And this not gonna have a lot of editing because I don't even have my laptop with me. So I'm just gonna get to the point, y'all. I got the job. I got the job, Scrum Master job. So I start on Monday. Again, today's Saturday, so have T-minus 1 day. We don't count on Monday, we count Sunday. And in there, it is hybrid. But you know, I'm gonna go in office for I go in office for 3 days, but I'm the Scrum Master. So after showing velocity and how well I'm doing, I'm gonna try to convince them to let me go full-time remote because the girl want a second job so I can pay off these loans in no more than 2 years. Cause you know, I'm out here changing it up, y'all. Like, I've been single for 7 years. Now I've officially had a boyfriend for going on 3 months. Let me see, January 1st, January, February, March, April. April's coming up like next week, a week and a half from now. And we're going to Atlanta together to his godson's baby shower, his godson's birthday, something, I don't know. Not me out here being a girlfriend. Not me about to start traveling. I'm about to go to, so Bali is still in the works for my birthday in December. Zanzibar, I want to go to Thailand. And then West Africa and other places. Like, now it's going to be possible. When I was at that salary, that barely gave me half a salary. Like, half a salary. It was barely a salary. What I brought home, I was like, dang. After I was looking at taxes, I said, how did I survive off this? When you add up your rent, you're paying over $15,000. And so I was like, what is going on? And I survived off that. So the fact that I'll be making 6 times more than that, maybe 8 times more than that, I don't know what I'm gonna do with myself. Very much gonna stay humble. Look at this, hair don't move. Gotta get washed. Might still cut it, but my edge is growing back. I don't even do wigs no more because I like to have my edges, and sometimes you fall asleep and the wig, you take your edges while you laying down. And if I do wear wigs again, it's probably gonna be glueless. Cause if a girl ever felt like she wanna fight me, let me take it off. Let me do the honors. You're not finna pull it off, baby. Let me take it off and let's scrap. Seems like I'm everywhere, but I'm not. I'm really excited to be starting on Monday. I'm obviously gonna come and let you guys know probably like how my first week went. That's just gonna be a lot of paperwork, I-9, getting my badge. So that's what I'm gonna wash my hair, and I think I'm gonna do box braids, but bigger ones, because again, we're going to Atlanta in April. So the hair needs to last for about a month or so. I don't really, and then after, because in Atlanta, I think I want to do straight hair, maybe clip-ins. And then for the summer, I want me a bob right here. You know, the bob that moves like this. So I want that because Texas is hot in the summer, but right now, baby, it's cold. But it's spring, so it's been doing what it do in Texas, and that's one day it's warm, next day it's cold. One day you got the flu. Talking about the flu, tell me why. So I went into the Amazon Flex shift. Didn't even want to do that, but I'm telling you, I was waiting on my stuff because I got the job a month ago. I got the job, but we had to do the drug test. We have to do paperwork, background test, all that. It came back fairly quickly, but then, because I was supposed to start earlier, but then they had to order my laptop because I'll be working from home some days, and then I go in office on the 3 days. So that wasn't gonna come in, I guess, until like this week. So now I go in on Monday. And anyways, so I went to the Amazon place, and so there was an Arabic lady, and she said something. So I was like, oh, salam, because you know I studied abroad in Morocco. If you didn't get hip, I did. And then she was like, salam alaikum. I said, alaikum, shukran, blah blah. You know, the little bit of Arabic that I know. Why this lady kept coughing? Like, she had her mask down here. Lady, you know you're sick. Put it up. So she kept coughing, and I just kept looking at her because I was just like, she'll get it. So I kept backing up. The more I backed up, the more she kept coming forward. And I was like, She'll get it. She never got it because she kept coughing to where I was like, okay, I just gotta go, like, shukran, you know, bye. Why? Not even 2 hours later, my throat felt like it was tightening up. And so I started to cough, and I said, there's no way this lady just got me sick. Y'all, I've been sick for about, and it's not the COVID or nothing, but it was a cold. And it was just like I don't know. But so, and even now, I'll still be like blowing my nose or whatever, but I sound a little better now. Before I didn't, and I was like, I need this to be gone before I go in office. They're not about to say, hey, just stay home and don't work. Baby, no, because I have rent to pay and I have bills to pay. And even though my salary is gonna be different, I'm gonna be in a different tax bracket. I'm going to be very much cheap still, or not cheap, but I'm frugal with money. But at the same time, I want to enjoy stuff now. Like, for the last 2 years I've been here, y'all, I've been fighting for my life. And so it's like, I don't have to do that no more. And if they give me the position fully remote, I really won't worry about it because I'll get a second job, pay off my loans. And, you know, I think he trying to marry me for real. You know, but you know, with relationships, I've been out the game for a minute, but he can't get enough of me. This man be with me like every day. I done had like 10 conversations in all of 6 minutes. This has only been 6 minutes. But see, I haven't talked to y'all in a while because I've been out here trying to make it. So yeah, and y'all, so my lease is up in 2 months. I say 2 months because I got to be out of here in July, like July 1st. So we're not going to count July as like the 3rd month. No, 2, because April is coming. We're not worrying about April. But so then May, June, got to get up out of here. So I'm going to be looking for apartments soon. So if that's what y'all are on this channel for, I've been, while I was Amazoning, because I love the area that I'm in. I want to stay here. It's actually 12 minutes away from my job. So I need to stay in this area because the commute is fairly easy and quick. So I actually want a condo, and a place that I've been eyeballing that's supposed to be finishing soon. I had to deliver something there, and I was like, why am I delivering here when they're not even open? Why did people already sign lease for half of the building? So people are already living there. And then I found out that it was a condo. So then I called the lady that is renting it out. And it's not where, oh, you go and you just sign a rent. You have to either like damn near purchase the unit. So I can get a unit from someone else that already said, hey, I want this part, because it's a condominium or something like that. So she was like, hey, contact me again back in June and I'll see if I have any 1-bedrooms available, because obviously people are investing in the property, which I also plan on doing now that I'll be making good money, like so good. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with myself. I'm gonna invest in, you see how I look right now? Y'all not finna see me like this. Y'all might though, cause I'm not gonna get bougie on y'all. I'm not gonna get bougie. I'm not gonna do it. But I do my own hair anyway, so anything you see in my head will always be from me. So it's already like 50% off. So, but I'm gonna invest in the Korean skincare. You gotta invest in hair. I'm changing my wardrobe. I'm going to go after more, like, I look so elegant, but still attractive with showing less skin. Like if I show skin up here, my legs don't need to show skin other than summer. And like whenever I feel like, you know, giving it to them, give it to them. I'm gonna give it to them, but it's gonna be more of like a, oh, that's classy, that's nice, yeah. Oh, she's grown, she's stepping into her grown woman seat, like, yeah. So yeah, I'll be apartment hunting here soon. So I'm either gonna end up with a condo or an apartment, and so y'all just have to stick around for that, for the people that are moving to Dallas. And other than that, y'all, I gotta tell y'all how I left that last job. Baby, I was up out of there. They didn't have to wait on me. And I gotta tell y'all about how my maintenance man being a little creep. Like, how can you live somewhere where someone have access to your apartment and this person has been trying to take you out on dates, even though you keep on saying no? So now I'm just like, if I tell the leasing office, then he gets fired. I don't know what his situation at home is like. And so Why would I want to get you fired? But at the same time, I could be sleeping and you come in at any point in time because you won't leave me alone. So it's a whole lot going on with that. And I've just been keeping my distance. Like if I see him, I just take off the other way and he'll be like, hey, see, I'm blind, ear and deaf. I don't hear you. I don't understand. I don't know say I call me. So I just keep it moving. But other than that, I mean, everything's gonna be looking up. Let's cross our fingers for luck, abundance, prosperity, happiness, a great summer. Y'all, talk about a great summer. I can't go nowhere. Tell me why. Something said, look at your passport. I picked my passport up the other day, 2 days ago, thinking, okay, I'm gonna book my first trip to Jamaica to just go see my nieces and my nephew for the weekend because they've been calling me, telling me that they miss me. So I was like, okay, the fact that I work from home Monday and Tuesday, I can leave. The plan is to always travel on Fridays and come back on Tuesdays. So I said, okay, I'll go to visit Jamaica here with my second paycheck. So I was like, okay, tell me why I go look at my passport. My passport said it was expired March 7th, 2023. So I started thinking 2023 not even here yet. Baby, we well into 2023. We almost into summer. And I said, okay, well, March is not here. I was trying to like tell myself I got enough time to do this passport because before my dad did it, you know. Baby, I don't got no time. But I also know that I can save something of me. I can take the picture of myself on my camera behind my white wall, send it in to the government or whoever send me by my passport, and that's free. And the whole process is cheaper than me going to Walmart or going somewhere and have it taken by them when I have professional photographer friends who will just set my camera, my YouTube camera to the setting, take a picture of me, headshot, I send it in, my passport come. So within 2 months or so, my passport should be here. That's fine. June, I'm cool with that. So yeah, y'all are also gonna be seeing travel vlogs. If you're not following me on TikTok, I'm still at 94.6K. TikTok's not TikToking right now. So whenever they get to moving again, you know, if y'all not following me over there, then what are we doing? I don't know. But that's all that I got for y'all. So just stick around. Yeah, and don't forget to tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend to come over to Everything Teash. Like, comment, subscribe. I just gave y'all a whole lot in 12 minutes. Y'all can't say I don't tell stories good, fast, or in a hurry. I lie when I tell. I lie. So anyways, yeah, I'm about to post this right now. I'm not even editing it. I'm not editing it at all because I don't got my laptop and I don't really want to edit it. So raw, uncut, bah, in your face. All right, guys. Oh, hold on. Okay, I know I told y'all bye. Get into it. Get into it. My face is clearing up. Get into it. Like my skincare routine. Wait till I add this Korean skincare in it. We done for. We done for, y'all. Like, oh my gosh. So that's all I wanted to say. And if it looked like my face got fuller, y'all, yeah, I'm getting 150 grams of protein a day, but I am cutting back on that because it's starting to look swollen. And I said that's not the goal. The goal is to like be toned and cut, like, but not too cut. So now I'm gonna take my protein down to less than 100 or 100 at most because we need to be seeing something. You know, I'm kind of built like a track person, aka a little refrigerator type thing, but not really boxy. Like I got my little, but I ain't getting no waist like that. My parents ain't give me none of that. They ain't give me no waist. I did get the butt though. I did get that. So it's like nothing in the front, party in the back. Yeah. So if I can get that little waist, that's a little something. That's it. It's over for anybody. For real. And y'all ain't gotta tell me nothing. I'm not looking for approval, baby. I'm just telling you it'll be over. I swear I'm done now. I'm done. Until next time, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, and tell a friend, and tell a friend, and come over to Everything Teash. Until next time, peace.